Maybe you'll hear him. Did you hear it? Say hi, Dennis. That's our eagle.
What's that eagle's name?
I hear him calling, but I don't know if this camera will pick it up.
Hey, eagle! I heard fireworks too. That's the eagle again. Hi, Matar. What is this? Breeze.
I think this is the first time I've heard his voice.
Breeze. Blue breeze. I heard him again.
Yeah, I heard it too.
I'm gonna go down the street. Mom,
Where did he go?
Going down. Yeah. Oh, there it is. I saw it.
Yeah, I see him, but I don't know if I'm getting him on the camera or not. Oh, he's too far away now. Oh, there's another one.
That's still.
Oh, maybe he was calling his friend.
Look, dark red. Still. He's calling his friends.
Yeah, there's two eagles now.